My name is Michael Guthrie here at Tamron Hyundai in Hoover. We got your web inquiry on a brand new 2019 Kona. Now let's take a look at it. We got a beautiful hexagonal cascading grille, LED daytime running lights and accented wraparound headlights, aluminum alloy wheels. But let's take a look inside. This car comes equipped with Android and Apple CarPlay, a beautiful touchscreen display, as well as an additional LED display between the gauges, lane keep assist. But let me tell you about the best part. The best part is all new Hyundai cars come with a new car 5 years, 60,000 mile warranty, a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. But here at Tamron Hyundai in Hoover, we double that to 20 years, 200,000 miles. My name is Michael Guthrie. My cell phone number is 205-983-2857. Give me a call or come stop in at Tamron Hyundai in Hoover, where you're going to love the way that you're treated.